저 멀리서도 oh my gosh 끌어당겨요 my gosh 초능력처럼 거대한 녀석이 된 것만 같아 my heart 네 모든 게 내 맘에 달라붙어 버려 boy war면 듯해 진정할게 This time I want you like it's magnetic super good like it's magnetic super good
As you guys know, I was on my exam week, and along with this, I also had so many presentations. And to be honest, it is a bit overwhelming because I don't have the time or creativity juices to create PowerPoint presentations. But I've been using this website that combines PowerPoint with AI that allows me to create a last minute presentations, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. This tool is called Gamma, and it can turn your ideas into an amazing and curated presentation slides. So just simply visit their website, and from here you can choose if you want to create a presentation, document, or a web page. In my case, I will be creating a presentation, and I'll just type in my chosen topic. So after that, we will be given an outline and structure on how our presentation will look like, and below you can play around with some of these settings according to your preferences. I'll just click continue and let the AI do the rest of the work. So it will generate a very consistent and curated slide in just a few minutes. So it will help you to create beautiful presentation that you can also modify in many ways that you want. So you can change up the pictures of each slide. And what I like about this is that you can actually seek help from their AI to generate a specific picture for you. So you can use that in your slide. So just like that. Honestly, this tool is a game changer for me or to anyone who may be creating a presentation slide as well, because it makes the entire process so fast and so smooth. And to be quite honest, this presentation does not look like it was created less than 5 minutes. And if you would also like to try out this tool, head over to Gamma.app or in the link in the description box down below. Once again, thank you Gamma for sponsoring the portion of this video.
Jump, jump, so lovely, they so lovely.